I hate those things. Rubik's Cubes. I hate Rubik's Cubes. I've never been able to solve them. I've never really been able to figure out how in the hell they work internally. I fucking hate them. I hate them. Fuck you, Rubik's Cube.
My kid's skin will take you up, up and away.
And then some scrawny 7-year-old comes in and solves it in like 5 seconds. Fuck Rubik's Cubes.
Meet the Cell broadband engine.
It hates Rubik's Cubes too.
It's the digital soul of the PlayStation 3.
Gelba Sheldon Hamas Taratoya. Oh, digital? Oh. Shit. I can't catch a digital soul.
And though it may look like an ordinary microchip,
it is, in fact, a delicious Belvita cookie. Damn. My line originally was this... Shit. Man, they're beating the fuck out of the dumpster, aren't they?
it is the future. It all comes down to processing power. The faster you think, the more things you can think about.
Now, do you really want your video game console to start thinking about the fact that the only reason it exists is to entertain you? Is that what you really want?
And that makes you smarter. Which is why the Cell has not one, but 8 synchronized processors. While a normal computer can only handle a single task at any given time, the PlayStation 3 performs multiple tasks in parallel.
What are you talking about? By the time the PS3 came out, hyper-threading and multi-core processors were common.
Everything from physics to lighting.
Thanks to the PS3's microverse processor, you have an entire civilization of people, you know, doing the computations for your game, Morty.
Navigation to artificial intelligence.
To that legal adult game you got from Japan. All of it running through a civilization of light!
All processed simultaneously in the blink of an eye.
If that eye was magically turned into water.
Take this raindrop. It has a number of unique properties, like shape, size, velocity, and weight.
Haha, I'm from the future. Your console's outdated now. Na na na.
All of which determine exactly how it affects this pool of water. Because something as deceptively simple as a raindrop is really so complex, previous processors could only handle a light shower. Not very exciting, is it? But the Cell is 40 times more powerful than the processor in the PlayStation 2.
The PS2's processor was a single 299 megahertz core. Yeah, your 8-core processor better be fucking faster than that.
It's faster, and it's smarter.
It's just a fucking game console, goddamn. Just show off the fucking games.
Which means, without much effort, we can conjure up a tempest. And if we lower the temperature just enough, we discover that no two snowflakes need ever be alike.
So long as the snowflake emitter surrounds only the character and only generates 100 unique snowflakes in predetermined fall paths, then yes, no two snowflakes need ever be alike in your very, very contained snowstorm.
But with this much processing power waiting to be tapped, it doesn't take much to stir things up. As we tumble along the wind currents, we might find ourselves at the center of a vicious dogfight.
Or perhaps a different kind of dogfight. It really helps that I'm filming this before getting my haircut so I look extra pervy.
As chaotic and unpredictable as the real thing.
But without the fear of death.
And the Cell controls it all. Not just one, but an entire fleet of enemies, each responding in real time to the environment. Every breeze, every bullet, creating a battle so furious, it'll take all your reflexes to survive.
Why, it's so realistic that one of the ships disappeared in the heat of battle. Amazing!
Which begs the question, with this much brain power, is the cell broadband engine even smarter than you?
No. Goodbye, Rubik's Cube. Rotten fucking hell. Anyways, give us a weasel if you like that video. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out the other videos that I've done in this PlayStation commercial series that for some reason I decided to make this morning. Don't forget to support me on Patreon. It's right here. I have to wait around for 20 seconds so the thing will let me put the Patreon logo there. There it is. And as always, have a good day. And remember, every time I say that, I gotta fling my arms around.